Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to create and navigate through tables in Google Docs. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, let's get started. Please, do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole Google Docs interface, or if you are a beginner or even a first-timer in using this specific software, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. Now, let's get started. Before proceeding with anything else, please make sure that the Google Chrome you are using is completely up to date. This is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors along the way. Now, as you can see, in my Google Docs file, I have here a sample paragraph, sample text, and everything else. This is also the same paragraph that I used to make a tutorial on how you can use autocorrect or even grammatical checking or grammatical error checking on Google Docs. If you would like to watch those videos, please check our dedicated playlist for the compilation of Google Docs tutorial on our YouTube channel. Now, without being said, let us create a table in Google Docs. Now, for creating a table, I would like you to focus on the upper panel of our screen. As you can see on the screen right here, or in the upper side of the screen, we have the ribbon right over here, which gives us tons of options to choose from. We also got here the different tabs that we can choose from. To create a table, I would like you to focus on the fourth tab, which is the Insert tab. Click on it once, and it will give us a drop down on the different options that we can choose from. Click on the table, and as you can see right here, we got table templates for product roadmap, tracker, assets, and many more. And we also have an illustrator here in which we can just draw on how many tables, rows, and columns we would like to get. Let's say, for instance, I would like to create a table like this, a 3x5 table, for instance. If I want to do this, by the way, you just hover your mouse cursor to the tables right over here, and as you can see, it expands as you go. Let's say, for example, I would like a 3x5 table. Just hover to the 3x5 table and then click it once. And as you can see, as simple as that, we have added a table on our Google Docs file. To navigate, you can either just click on it on the specific table, or you can also use your arrow keys to navigate through the table. Up, down, right, and left. As you can see, as simple as that, we can navigate quickly to our table. You can also change the font formatting options on our Google Docs file by clicking on a specific cell, and then right here we got the alignment, we got the font size, the bold, italic, and many more. If you want to apply all of those font formatting options to all of the tables, all you have to do is to highlight all of the tables. You have to highlight all of the tables like so. And here you can change the alignment, and now the alignment for all of the cells are the same, which is the center alignment. Now, as simple as that, we have created a table and navigated through it. From here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you so much for watching.